Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to bring you 25 amazing wall decorating ideas for 2024. Whether you're looking to refresh your living room, bedroom, or any other space in your home, we've got you covered with the latest trends and creative ideas to make your walls stand out. Let's dive in and display a favorite accessory. For fashionistas who have run out of closet space, we have good news. It's totally acceptable to take to your walls. Showcase your signature accessory by creating a display of your favorite hats, sneakers, or scarves to make it pop. While the kitchen itself is bright, the breakfast nook feels like a cozy and intimate space thanks to the dark paint color, which calls special attention to the classic gallery wall. 3. Add some green. Why hang a print of a plant when you can hang the actual plant? For this island-inspired bedroom, designer paired 2 palm tree prints with an actual palm front, which can be found dried and preserved for easy displaying. Or stay in line. Large-scale line drawings are so simple, allowing you the flexibility to style them alongside just about anything. 2 oversized pieces add quiet interest and a modern touch to the layered living room. Source from unexpected locations. Kicking off your art hunt. Shopping galleries and independent artists is a must, but so is keeping an eye out for unexpected treasures, botanical prints, often found very affordably in old books or at a flea market. Balance the more formal touches in the room. 6. Choose fun sconces. With a wild yet thoughtful mix of colors, patterns, and textures. The room is anchored by an inky black clawfoot tub, but the decorative pieces are what really bring it to life, from the bronze sconces and gilt-framed artwork to the colorful candlesticks. 7. Give love to utilitarian spaces. Though most of the wall space in this bathroom is taken up by more functional pursuits, just had to reach a little higher. The array of framed artwork gives this bathroom a more refined flair and draws the eye up, accentuating the high ceiling. 8. Perfect your palette. The right color scheme is almost always a driving force behind a room's design, and while it will more than likely be communicated just fine through your choice of paint and textiles, it doesn't hurt to bring your wall decor in on the fun. In this Kansas City game room. 9. Hang a rug. Painted this accent wall a deep teal hue, then brightened it up with a marigold bench and matching wall art, but not just any wall art. Rather than hanging a framed painting or photograph, she secured a rug to the wall. It's a great way to bring soft texture and give new meaning to old pieces. 10. Think in 3D. A 3-dimensional wall sculpture can bring an entire room to life. Wisely chose to hang this abstract beauty above the fireplace mantel, where it naturally draws the eye and remains protected from the space's heavily trafficked paths. 11. Highlight a hobby. Got big love for cartography or ornithology? Pay tribute to your favorite pastime with a wall display that nods to your go-to hobby. In this project, buy a well-lit wine display acts as a way for the homeowners to showcase their love of the good stuff. 12. Spotlight ceramics. For wall decor that adds texture and dimension to a space, not to mention acts as a conversation starter, consider rating your kitchen cabinets. Plates are a perennially beloved and playfully offbeat decor item, cleverly adding pattern and color. The plates even work to mimic architectural features in the space, like the porthole window. 13. Get a little wild. For a playful twist on traditional wall decor, take a trip to the wild side with a slew of rottanned animal heads. Used a menagerie of mammals to bring cheeky energy to this living room. Lend some light. The best way to enjoy a beautiful piece of art. Under the perfect lighting, of course. To ensure your chosen painting or photo gets the moment in the spotlight that it deserves, illuminate it. Makes the most of an abstract painting by pairing it with a brass picture light. 15. Use luxe bedding. Give your bedroom a hotel-like feel with cozy white sheets and an assortment of complimentary throw pillows. 15. Opt for matching frames. Black frames make it easy to swap in new photos, mementos, and artwork when you're ready for a change of pace. 18. Paint wood panels. To prevent wood paneling from feeling outdated, go for warm gray paint, the perfect choice to create a calming atmosphere. Embrace petite furniture. Don't fret if you have a small bedroom. A narrow nightstand, like this charming design, is a great option to help reduce clutter. 19. Go moody. Opting for a deep hue, like gray, is an easy way to give your bedroom a cocoon-like feel. Introduce contrast with white bedding and wood nightstands. 20. Install a built-in wardrobe. Let a floor-to-ceiling built-in wardrobe act as the focal point in a compact bedroom. To balance the look and adhere to a classic blend of black and white to finish the look. 21. Install sliding barn doors. Add a rustic flair to a modern bedroom with the addition of sliding barn doors. They're especially great for diving open spaces, like an en-suite bathroom. Go fresh with lavender. This bedroom shows off the beautiful effect lavender can have on your decor. It's a soft color with cool undertones that's ideal for traditional or contemporary spaces. Sprinkle hints of the shade throughout the room, such as the rugs, your seating, flowers, or bedding, and watch how the whiteness of the room pops alongside it. 3. Hang pendant lights. Pendant lights can be just the touch of elegance a simple design needs. Choose your preferred shape, like these diamond-inspired pendants that blend in with the bedroom's neutral, airy layout. 4. Choose timeless, white bedding. Reminiscent of a luxe hotel, this all-white bed looks bright, clean, and polished. To add a dose of color, relies on a geometric area rug. 5. Layer in warm reds. Whether it's with drapes, an area rug, or this vintage tapestry hung over the bed, rusty red accents warm up any bedroom design to keep surrounding furniture and seating neutral to allow the red accents to pop. We hope these 25 wall decorating ideas have inspired you to transform your spaces in 2024. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.